Hey everybody, Jason here with Midwest Coyote Pursuit. I'm happy to bring you an unboxing video today. I got picked to be a part of the RICS tester program for 2026, the first round of it. So without further ado, let's open this bad boy up. I got this box cracked open. Looks like they sent me the Stride ST3 Lite, which is the 384 monocular. So we got that there in the box. Got a RICS koozie, a RICS beanie, and looks like we got a couple RICS stickers in here. Smaller one, and a great big one. So very excited to be a part of the tester program, and we'll get the plastic taken off of this and we'll get into it. All right, so I got the plastic off of the Stride ST3 Lite. Gonna just do a quick unboxing of it here. At the tail end of this video, I'll have some content with the Stride S3. I believe this is the 384 monocular. Yeah, once again, very thankful for the opportunity. It's got the instruction manual there. First impression of this thing, it is extremely compact. I mean, it's very, very small. I've seen a lot of videos where guys have been using this for helmet mounts, and looking in here, it looks like there's a lot of attachments for such mounts. So a couple mounts in there. The unit itself looks like we got a strap, a couple different screws in there. The charging case, or charging station, looks like a singular one. The cord for the charging station, just a Type-C. And then we got a battery. So this unit does take the 18650 batteries. It does look like they are button topped instead of the flat ones. That's a little different than the other ones that I've seen, but definitely a cool little unit. I'm very impressed on how small it is. Like I said, we'll get this thing charged up and we will put this to use in the field and give you guys my honest review on what I think of it. So this is from the other night here. We had a night where we got a couple coyotes down. This is walking up on the first one. Just a quick view of what it looks like. On this video, switch back and forth through the color patterns. You can see there's another coyote coming in. With this monocular, it is a 384 by 288. Objective lens of 15 millimeters. Magnification is a 1:6, which is really nice. It's got a handheld, or you can use it as a helmet mounted option, as I mentioned earlier in the video. Very compact design, rechargeable batteries. They're the 18650s with the button tops. Wide field of view on it. As I mentioned, super compact design. RICS comes with a 5-year warranty. So make sure you check them out if this is something that you'd be interested in.
Nice.
Huge shout out to my buddy for filming this hunt for me. But overall, the Stride ST3 Lite, very great unit, very compact unit. Would be very ideal for the guy that wants to get into a helmet mount setup. The 18650 battery with a button top works phenomenal. Have the option to plug an external battery into the front here with USB-C. The lens cap kicks off to the side, which is really nice. Your focus is on the back here. Yeah, overall, very, very great. Very small, compact unit. So make sure you check them out. So just a big shout out to RICS for allowing me to be on their tester program this first go around. The Stride ST3 Lite. Make sure you go check it out. Give us a follow on our Facebook. Subscribe to us on our YouTube. Check out our podcast, Talkin Yotes. Thanks.